It's Bonnie. Happy Monday! Coco is barking out the window, and I have got some Ipsy to share. So, I am part of the Ipsy Open Studios program, which means that Ipsy sends me the Glam Bag, and the Glam Bag Plus each month to share with you guys. So, this one is all about Valentine's Day. It's You Are Loved. Check that out. And I can't decide which bag to do first. I think I'm going to do the little bag. The little bag! How cute is this? I love these bags. They're fun to put in your purse. I think the little bag now... Oh, look at the heart. That's cute. Is $12 and the big bag is $25. So I should have 5 products in the little bag. I did get a Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. Super cute there. I got a Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask from Saturday Skin. These are a little bit bigger size samples, which is always fun. And then I got a full-size product. I got, Volume Mascara from Dime. Check that out. I always love getting a good mascara. It's funny because I know I'm a little bit crazy with my mascara. I swap it out like every 2 weeks. I don't know why. I don't like using mascara longer than 2 weeks. So I go through a lot of mascara. So it's always fun to have a couple of extras laying around here. Let me pull this one open. And looks like a black mascara here. Let me check out the wand. Oh, it's a tiny wand. I kind of like this sometimes. Sometimes you just want a little mascara, so that's super cute. I got the Grown Alchemist. This is a facial gel, a gentle facial gel. Oh, that smells good. It smells like super natural. And then I also got who is this from? It's Cherry Bomb. Cherry Bomb. Pink lips. Pink lips. Check it out. I got pink lips. I don't know if I can open this. They really sealed this up good. I'm not going to open that one. Next up, we have the big bag. Check it out. This is beautiful. I like the pink marbling on this one. We're kind of going back to Valentine's Day now. Like Valentine's Day is tomorrow. And I'm surrounded by tropical leaves. So let me take everything out of here. And we're going to dig into here. So first up, we have... Check it out. I have no idea what this is. Ovine? I've never heard of this brand. There's that Queen. It could be like a really gothic spelling of Queen here. It's a dragon duo. A dragon duo? That sounds really cool, actually. I can't get it out. What the heck is it? Oh, it looks like, is it lip pencils? I don't even know what this is. Boy, I'm having a hard time with this one. What the heck is this? It is Liquid Dragon Liner, a wax pencil? Looks like liner. Check it out. It's got to be an eyeliner because it's black. There we go. Okay. Check that out. Not a bad duo there. Kind of neat packaging. I like the packaging a lot. Oh, and then we have a liquid one. Oh my gosh, I've never really tried liquid eyeliner. I think I would make a giant mess. Why won't this lid go back on? What? Oh, there we go. I got it on. So, cute product though. I got a Dr. Brandt Hydrating Essence. Little spray on here. Let me see. It's like a medicinal scent. This is close your eyes and spray evenly on cleansed skin. Never tried that. Okay. Next up, we have, am I missing something? Oh, we got a brush. Check it out. Oh, I love getting brushes. That's like my favorite thing in beauty boxes these days are the brushes. Check out the brush. Super pretty. I love my brushes. I have something wrapped in bubble wrap here. I have got MOTD. Oh, blush duo. That's always fun. Let me see. Open this guy up here. Oh, it's got like a little rubber band on it. That's kind of cool, so the lid doesn't pop up. Oh, that's kind of neat. Look, it's like, I've never seen one in a circle like that before. Put a little bit on. It's a pretty color for spring. My blush isn't super dark today, so I can add a little bit more color. That's pretty. A little bit more over here. Not bad. This company called, look, you can take the little strap and put it back on so it doesn't fly open. MOTD. Never heard of it before. And then I also got a palette. It says, do it for the gram. Do it for the gram. It is an eyeshadow palette. Who is this by? Oh, Beauty Bakery. Beauty Bakery. This thing's cute. Check it out. It's like a graham cracker inspired palette. Look at all those colors. That's pretty. Look at that. Kind of nice to get a full-size palette in there. Let me swatch one of these. Which one do I want to swatch? I'm going to swatch this one down here because it's pretty. A lot of coverage there. Look at that. Not bad. Not bad coverage. Check that out. I'm also going to do the blue one. I would never wear blue eyeshadow, but I'm going to swatch it. Check it out. Yeah, that's way too blue. Oh, that's a little flaky too. That did like a little weird thing there with the flakiness. Let me try the yellow. I would never wear yellow either. Gold's a little too much. Oh, that's not even very light. I don't know about the palette. Okay, a little bit flaky on the one. I do like the shade though, right here. So anyway, that is what I got from the Ipsy Open Studios. Let me know what you think. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.